Marquez Estepatur was unavoidable for Honda. 11 years of togetherness and 6 world titles have come to an end. However, behind Marquez Estepatur, there are benefits for Honda. Check this video out. Marquez Estepatur to Gresini Racing, which uses Ducati bike, was his own decision. Honda didn't even want to replace Marquez with another rider because they realized that it was the Honda bikes that was the problem and Marquez was a valuable asset to them. But Marquez didn't want to wait any longer to get back on the podium. His ambition is still very big. His frequent crashes on the Honda are proof of how difficult it is to conquer the Japanese bike. The steps Honda has taken to get Marquez back on the podium have been unsatisfactory. This is included bringing innovation in aerodynamic and bringing in Ken Kawauchi. When Marquez was still with the Logo Wings team, he kept coming in, but the Honda didn't make any significant progress. Marquez is steadily at the top as the most crashes rider is proof that Marquez is more like riding a bull than a racing bike. Very difficult to control. There was no sign that Honda was improving, and finally, with all due consideration, Marquez decided to leave. It was an emotional farewell. 11 years with 6 world titles is a long and precious journey. The baby alien was emotional as he said goodbye to Honda. But Marquez's farewell to Honda wasn't all about sadness. In fact, Marquez's farewell to Honda has an advantage. Now Honda is overhauling the bike in a big way. The new concession makes Honda is positioned so free in developing the motorbike. Even during the pre-season test, they realized more than one type of motorbike with different engine configuration. This is in line with Marquez's criticism. If Honda is still lacking in acceleration, especially on straight track. Honda also update their aerodynamic. The tail of the Honda bikes now look thicker than the previous version. Now the rear end of their bikes look like Ducati or Aprilia, and this is most likely a mass damper. They even tested a Stegosaurus winglet that is increasingly jagged. Honda is trying to make the most of the concession. Looking at the situation, HRC director Tetsuhiro Kuwata is targeting if his team want to lose the concession by the middle of the season. However, there are some issues they will need to address because according to Marini, even though the Honda bike is more powerful, it still has spin in the rear area and acceleration when exiting corners. But despite this, Marini feels that the direction of development is correct and the bike has good potential. Looking at the direction of development, Honda is now free from Marquez. Development is more free and not focused on just one rider. This is also in line with Nakagami's statement. Although Nakagami is not a factory rider, he is ready to help with development. And with Marquez Estepatur, he hoped that Honda will not only hear input from one factory riders. Marquez has indeed left Honda. The 11-year-long journey is finally over, but Honda must move on to look the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for being with the Garis Finish.